Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about how I get royalty-free music. Basically, all royalty-free means is that there aren't any copyright to them. So if you upload a YouTube video with copyrighted music in it, then your video will either get flagged, demonetized, or just taken down completely because you do not have the rights to those particular songs. So with this video, I'm going to help show where you can get royalty-free music to use in any kind of video that you would like to post on YouTube. So the basic first thing you would want to check out is youtube.com/audiolibrary. Spell it right, Alyssa. And Audio Library is a free library full of music and sound effects that you are free to download and use straight off of YouTube. And they have different genres that you can choose from depending on what your video needs. So hip hop, jazz, pop, alternative, children's. Then you can pick whatever mood you would like. If you want your video to be more dark or happy or even romantic, they have styles like that. If you want a particular instrument that stands out more so in your music, you can choose that. The duration. So if you're doing Instagram videos, you would want to be between 30 seconds and a minute. And then I don't know what that really means, so don't even worry about that. But there are plenty of different files on here with all different kind of styles that you can choose from. And again, most of these are free to download. And to download them, you can hit the play button over on the left hand side to preview whatever song you're wanting to use, and then you can even search for music up at the top. So if I wanted to search Christmas music, I would just type in Christmas, go around, choose whichever kind of video I want. And the only thing that you really need to watch out for are links like this. So it says that I am free to use the song, but I must include the following in my description. So if it says that, normally you'll see the little guy over on the right hand side next to the download. You need to add that into your video description boxes. That way the people who wrote the music get the appropriate recognition for it. And then right there you see download, and that's how you get your songs. They also have sound effects on YouTube Audio Library that you can choose from. These are all just like short, sweet little sound effects that you may need in some videos. You just click there and hit download. They do have different categories if you wanted like a door sound, a office sound, any kind of tools, water, anything really you can think of. They are right there. Now another place that you can go to find royalty-free music is a place called Audioblocks or Storyblocks. Now this is a membership-based website. So you have to buy a subscription to this, and there are your basic plans that you can choose from. You can be billed monthly or annually. And they have sound effects, loops, music with all different kinds of genres, instruments, and duration. And basically this website you can download as an MP3 or a WAV file. And then you can even favorite certain songs to where if you know that you like that song or you want to go back to that song at another point, then you could just save it and then it will be in your favorites. So this is a great website as well. I really like using this website. But sometimes I have had issues with YouTube coming back saying that some of the songs I get from this website are copyrighted. So just watch out for that. And I hope that this has been informative and that you have liked this video. So please make sure and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow.